Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look today at a 2022 Transcend 255 FK. So a front kitchen model, no slide straight wall on this one, so it's a little on the lighter side, which is great for travel, but you'll see when we get inside that it's got all kinds of space. You can set this up easily on a seasonal lot and really enjoy your camping experience. Let's take a quick look inside, kind of a unique front storage compartment. Look how tall that is, it goes right to the roof. Of course, you've got your convenience station, you've got your solar charge monitor, and you've got your solar charge controller up here as well. So there is solar on the roof on this one, already pre-installed, which is a great feature we love on the Transcends. Taking a look at the outside, you've got an awning that spans almost the full distance of the outside of the trailer. Dual entries on this one. We'll see the benefits of that when we get inside. So again, a front kitchen 255 FK. As you walk in, you see, again, I was amazed when I first walked into this one. First I've seen this, how spacious it is for a trailer that's straight wall with no slide. Anyway, let's get into some of the features. Nice little storage area just as you walk in, a place to kick off your shoes and get them out of the way. A couple drawers and a little countertop with a charger port. So you can set your phone there. You know, I've seen some people use these spaces for coffee makers, that sort of thing, but you do have a plug-in on the wall and a nice little counter space right there. Little pantry space just to the right of the sink. We'll step back and get a good view of that whole front kitchen itself. High-rise faucet, barn-style stainless steel sink, great counter space in the corner. That'd be probably your spot to set up your Keurig or your blender. Cabinets above, microwave over top of the 3-burner cooktop, good sized microwave. Pots and pans drawer underneath there. You can see at the very bottom there, that's your pet dish drawer. You can slide that out, get the pet dishes up and out of the way, slide that out when the puppy wants a bite to eat. A couple drawers, 12-volt fridge. Nice wood grain front that matches the rest of the cabinetry. Fold down couch, and you've also got a fold down dinette, or a drop down dinette rather, with that faux tabletop, which is nice. Gives a little style feature to it. Also gives you that function of a drop down bed and a chance for someone extra to sleep if you need that space. Speaking of space, some more cabinet storage above. Love the dual pocket doors here in the walk-through bathroom. We'll get to that in a second. Sit back and take a look at your entertainment space. You've got storage on either side and a nice TV already built into this one. Ready for travel and ready for entertainment on the road. Coming through the Pasture Bathroom. Again, lots of space. Let's take a look at this. All kinds of floor space, all kinds of room. Corner medicine cabinet. High-rise faucet in the sink. Storage there. Little counter space to keep a few things handy. Good sized shower, skylight above, and some space here to roll up some towels and get everything out of the way. Foot flush toilet rounds off a really nice, well appointed bathroom area. Coming into the main bedroom at the front, you've got shirt closets on either side, little storage above, padded headboard for your safety. Beautiful mattress on this one. We saw the dual entries. If you want to just creep in here and go to sleep, there's your door to get there. You've also got a built-in wardrobe on this one, which is a really nice touch. Again, on a straight wall trailer, great use of the space, really opens things up. Lots of storage options, and we just love it. So this has been a look at the 2022 255 FK Transcend here in the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamp. Just come on and see us. We've got all kinds of trailers arriving, starting to get some of our trades in, so the options have never been better. Love to see you here. Quispamp Sis Leisure Time. Our friends up at Moncton Leisure Time would be happy to serve you as well. Camping season is a few weeks away. We'll get you out ready to go in a camper of your choice.